Should you watch porn in a relationship? Why shouldn't you? What would be the benefits of quitting? And should you tell your partner? So it's Nick here, the founder of Rewire and Recover, and we're going to deep dive today into the reasons that you shouldn't be mixing porn and relationships. So this video is going to be for anyone who may be in a relationship and trying to quit porn, or previously quitted porn, or maybe for someone who's looking to get into a relationship with a previous porn background, or maybe for someone who is the partner of a porn addict. So stick around, guys, this video is going to be great for you. So first we have to ask ourselves, why not watch porn? So if you haven't seen my other videos already about quitting personally, you need to go back and watch those. But to amplify the fact that you shouldn't watch in a relationship is just because if you watch porn while you're with a partner, you are fantasizing over somebody else. You are desiring someone else. You will never truly appreciate your partner the way they deserve. It's not fair on them. Would you like it if your partner was pleasuring himself over somebody else? Probably not. So that's one of the key reasons why we should stop. And stats back up relationship improvements when we quit. So one thing that we noticed when we surveyed some couples who watch porn versus couples who abstain from porn is that couples who abstain from porn had better relationships. They had better communication level, they had more intimacy, they had better sex lives. They actually had half of the infidelity rates compared to couples who watch porn. Now, one of the reasons that couples who watch porn may have higher infidelity rates is because they're fantasizing over multiple different sexual partners, not just focusing on the person that they are with. So we know that we should stop watching porn. That's kind of the easy part when you're in a relationship, but should you tell your partner? Absolutely yes. This is one of the biggest turning points for me, was telling my partner and opening up. I previously tried to quit porn by myself. I was embarrassed and ashamed to open up to them, but what I found is when I went through the flat line, when it got really difficult, when I struggled with my emotion levels, I would end up relapsing because I didn't know how I could be in a relationship and be going through these feelings. It wasn't fair on my partner. They didn't know why I was acting different with my sexual compulsions and my emotional flatline. So opening up to my partner was difficult, but it was one of the best things I ever did. And I recommend that anyone in a relationship, if you haven't already, you need to plan to tell your partner right now. It is going to change the dynamics for you. So I appreciate this isn't easy, but you must do this. Make sure when you do take that plunge that you don't do it in an inappropriate setting. Make sure it's just you two, there's no distractions, and you're called on a one-to-one chat. And when you tell your partner, you'll find it very hard at first, but you will realize that it will be a huge weight off of your shoulders. You're going to feel very confident, and you need to tell your partner why you're doing it, the benefits that is going to happen in your relationship, that you're doing it for not just you, you're doing it for them, and that, you know, I am going to need your support and we are going to get through this together. I would recommend that anybody who's maybe had a previous porn addiction and looking to get into a new relationship, they still tell their new partner. They tell them that they had a problem, why they stopped, how it's going to benefit their relationship, and that there may be times where they struggle with a flatline emotionally or sexually, and that there may be challenging days, so the partner will be prepared to help. And if you are the partner of an existing porn addict who's decided to quit, just bear in mind that there are going to be tough days. There may be days where they don't feel sexually satisfied, they don't have that drive, they may be going to feel like they don't want to do anything, they're going to feel very down and flat. You cannot question yourself during this process. Just know this is a normal, natural way of their brains rewiring and getting used to those new dopamine withdrawals. So just know that they do appreciate you, and make sure you let your partner know if you're quitting that you still desire them and you have attraction to them, and that promise them that this will all come back, because it definitely will, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to hear from you if you've ever quit porn, how you told your partner, if you didn't tell your partner, if you wish you did, or anything about this topic. So make sure you comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.